What's up, guys? I have an update on the machine for y'all. Today it is freezing cold. I think it's like 5 degrees, and we had an issue with the machine. As you can see, my machine is not loaded, and I have a big old oil spill right there. Man, it's crazy. So let me tell you what happened. I cranked the machine this morning, and it was just going. It wasn't all the way wide open, but it turned over. But it was just, I'm thinking they needed to warm them up because they actually had did that before. So I come back and I notice it still hasn't cranked all the way up, and I look and I got a big old oil spill on the side of my truck, man. I got scared. So we took the machine out because, you know, I had an issue already with a machine before and I didn't want something bad to happen. It's running fine now, guys. The issue was I had the oil coming out from the dipstick right there. I'm guessing overnight the oil froze up and they had too much pressure and they had to find a release. So all my I had a little bit of oil come out through there. So I think it should be fine. I don't think it'll be anything major. I'm just happy I didn't blow a gasket or anything like that. So what I'm gonna do now is I got one of my friends from work. He's about to wire my heaters up. I bought these right here. I'm gonna have the link in the description below if you're interested. One of my good friends named Dan. What's up, Dan? He's another rig welder. Well, he's a retired rig welder. He was working in North Dakota, and North Dakota, you know, the temperature drops to the negatives. And I hit him up. I was like, hey, what can I do to help my machine? And he's the one who told me to get these. These go on your block, and I got 2 of them. So overnight, I'm gonna plug it up so they can keep my oil warm, because I think that's what happened today. I think it's time to hook them up. But I'm happy that nothing major happened. I'm happy that it's running fine. It's cranking right up. I'm just letting it warm up a little bit longer right now. Oh yeah, so I'm glad everything's fine, but I should start thinking about getting me a newer machine, honestly. A diesel machine, man. What y'all think I should go with? The Miller Pipe Pro 400? Or should I go with Lincoln? I ain't gonna lie to y'all guys, I really like that cross-country Lincoln. I know a lot of people say they don't like it. I did my research, I ran one already. I like it. So I don't know, man. I'm still not decided. I really want that new diesel machine though. So I'll see what I do, guys. Alright guys, this is what I got going on. I shut the machine off. It's so cold that it's gonna cool out pretty fast. I decided to put the the heat magnets or whatever you want to call it on my oil pan. One on my oil pan right, another one right on top of it. I'm gonna let it sit. I probably won't do any welding today, and I'm gonna crank it back up later on before we leave. I might just load it back up to my truck, but I'm gonna do that for now. See if that helps out. If you know a better method into me doing it, let me know. I'm not too familiar with it, so I'm kind of just experimenting for right now, hoping that that works. Okay, so I decided to just go ahead and load my machine up because I don't want to get tied up with work later on. Right now we have some downtime, so but to get I'm on the forklift now. I'm about to go load it up. Like I said, I'm gonna let it sit for a little while till the end of the day. I'm gonna put them heaters on there. I just touched the machine and it's freaking cold, so we'll see how it does. Alright, so I did put my machine back onto my truck, and like I said, I'm keeping it the same. Got one right here and the other one by the oil pan. And I'm gonna go ahead and put my door back. It's saying this is not supposed to get rain or snow on it, so I'm gonna definitely have to put the door back on and cover it up, and I'll just have like a little gap at the bottom. That should be okay. So I'm gonna leave it like that for now. I haven't welded with the machine at all. Probably won't do any welding today till about later on. I wasn't supposed to do any welds today, but we just got a stainless weld, so I'm about to crank it. I've been having the heaters on for about 3 hours now, so let's see what it does. guessing they did good. It cranked at the first time, so it might be a good investment, guys. I'm gonna leave them overnight at my hotel, and tomorrow morning I'm gonna do another test, and hopefully it cranks right up. So far so good. I'm excited. So guys, I made it home from work. Hopefully I don't have an issue, because it was pretty scary, man. Last thing I wanted to do is fuck my machine up and not have any oil in there, but I didn't spill that much oil. I still got enough oil in there, but finally made it to my hotel and I plugged it up. So I'm gonna leave it like that overnight, and in the morning I'm gonna try it out. I'm gonna run it for y'all, and if it turns on, and it's a go for this product, I'll suggest any of y'all who travel up north where it gets really cold to get one. One thing I'm really confused about is I was in North Dakota last year, and every hotel that I went to had the plugins to plug your truck or whatever up to the outlet. Over here where I'm at, they don't. So I had a parking handicap, and right now I'm running my extension cord into the little barbecue section. You know, I gotta do what I gotta do. If they say something, oh well. But anyway, I'm about to go into the crib. I'm gonna go take me a shower, but tomorrow I'm gonna try it. Like I said, if it turns on the first crank, is a major goal for this product. I suggest for y'all to get it. What's up, guys? Right now it's like 6 in the morning. I'm about to be getting ready to hit work, and it is once again freezing cold out here. We got a little bit of snow, not that much, but it's freaking cold. So I'm about to crank my machine, see if it cranks on the first time. Hopefully it does. I've been letting it heat up overnight, like I said, so let's see what it does. I hope my neighbors don't get mad because I'm waking them up. You know, the SA200s aren't the quietest machines. Okay, so it cranked, so we good. I'm happy and crank, guys, because I was really worried. One thing about being rig welder sucks having to deal with your machine not working, and that has happened to me already before. But everything seems good. I think the heaters did a good job, so I'm gonna keep doing that overnight just to make sure it's flowing right now. If you have a better idea I could do, I'm from the south, you know, we're not used to working in weather like this. Let me know in the comments below. If you have anything else you want to comment on, make sure you comment below. Make sure you subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.